Hey everyone, my name is Nick and today I'm gonna be showing you how to create Dexscreener account. So it's pretty easy, and first of all, let's go to their official website, type in the search box Dexscreener and click on this website. If you don't know what Dexscreener is, here you can read more about it. Dexscreener is a powerful and easy to use platform that allows traders and investors to track and analyze real-time data from multiple decentralized exchanges and chains. So to create account, you need to click on sign in at the bottom left. Let's do it. And there are three ways how you can easily sign in. With Google, with Apple, and connect your wallet. So let's try to sign in with Google, because this is the easiest way. Now you need to select your Google account in this list. Okay, and after that you'll see at the bottom left your email address. Now you are free to use this service. Here you can see the list of cryptocurrencies, and on the left side we have a menu with different functions: API, watch list, alerts, and so on. At the very top you can also filter tokens, for example for last hour, and let's select this one for example, and this is how the interface looks like. Hope this video was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.